Okay, I've put some more native beeswax inside the hive here so the girls can start using it. You can see some of them already taken to that wax down there. And I'll just put it all through there, so girls will hopefully use that as well as the old propolis they have. I'm just a bit quiet because it's about 5:45 and it's getting rather late. Still 27, 28 degrees. You can see them just down there on the entrance coming out, and they're all over that new wax that I put there. So they'll either take it into the main hive, which is the log hive in the back, as you can see, probably down there through the little tube, and they'll either take that in there or they'll come back out and they'll continue to hopefully build structure in here. So it should be good. We'll see how they go. I'll close them up for the night and I'll continue this later on. So it's just a short video today, but just thought I'd share that we've got our little finger lime bush has got finger limes coming up all over it. So we're getting quite a few this time around. I think the last season we had like 4 or 5, and my wife Renee actually picked a whole bunch of these the other week. We must have got probably 2 dozen off here, and now it's already loaded again. So this little bush seems to be going really well, considering it's sitting in an old bathtub in the front yard. Next to all the little cycads and everything, so you know, the native bees like the cycads because they get all the pollen. But yeah, I just thought I'd share those, and yeah, we'll see how the rest of the yard is. So we have the old broccoli that was there last year. Well, it's actually still growing, so I've left it in there. I just trimmed the top off, and we'll see how it goes. Ginger plant's starting to die back a little. It's the second time round for that one, so we'll see how it goes. There's a little lily-pilly there. And we got a pumpkin on our pumpkin vine. That's doing quite well. I'll see how that goes. A shallot or two and some basil. Of course the dragon fruit, which I'll show you later. And the native bees are doing quite well. A little bit quiet now, it's starting to rain. One of my crucifix orchids, which I got from my grandparents many years ago. I think we might have a sweet potato over here in the bottom somewhere, down the back there, just starting. The blueberry's still going alright. There's a little dragon fruit there as well. My Monsterio plant over here is not doing too bad, but we'll see how it goes. I might have to repot her, I think. She'll get a bit too small. I mean, the pot seems to be too small for her. Of course, the other natives, and the honeybees, and the lemon bush. And so I've got a lemon there, which Renee pointed out to me the other day, and there's another one here. So there's a couple of lemons there. And the mandarin and the orange, well, they're still growing, but they're not producing fruit. Might sneak in the back of here, and hopefully the bees won't annoy me. There's a little bit of honey there. I will have to go through them at some point. I just haven't been in there for a little bit because it's been so wet. I'm sure most people in Queensland know that at the moment. And that frame there's almost starting to get capped. It's just a normal honey frame. It's not capped down there at the bottom, but it is at the top and in the middle. So yeah, they're doing quite well. Lots of bees, doing the bee thing. Alright, might shoot over and have a look at the dragon fruit. Back in a tick. So, we have some dragon fruit. This one here is pretty close to coming off. And this one here definitely isn't. Oh, he's wiggling a little. But I reckon this one here is a little bit squishy, so it's probably ready to come off. And if I come around here, there's one here is also ready to come off. So we'll have a look. And there's a little one here. That's definitely not ready. That's alright. And we got another one here is going to flower soon, which is good. And oh, the dog just ran into me. That seems to be about the only one at the moment. I thought I had another one there the other day, but I don't see any other buds, so we might have a bit of a late bloomer on that one. Oh no, there we go. There's one down there. Look at that. Alrighty, so all we have to do is snip these off down here at the base. You can just break them off. A little bit hard one-handed here. I'll probably put the phone down in just a sec. So there we are. Snip that off. So, just come off from there. Ant on there. It's alright, we'll get rid of him in a sec. But yeah, little dragon fruit. So yeah, just a short video. Just thought I'd add it into the rest of what I had going. So thanks for watching. A bit of a shout out to Andy from McDowell Manor. I do watch his channel quite a bit. It's quite informative, and he did say he loved the dragon fruit, so hopefully Andy, you'll see this, and never know, I might pop around sometime and say hi and drop off some of my honey. Alright, well thanks for watching, and we'll catch you next time. Bye for now. Okay, there's our little pumpkin. Here we go. So the vine's all died off. So that pretty much means I can cut this off now and we can take this inside. There we go. So, not exactly huge, but we've got ourselves our first little pumpkin. We managed to get off the vine. It's died off, so there's nothing else in there at the moment that I can see, so I'll have a look another day. Basil's going well, parsley's coming up, shallots still going well. Cat mint for the cat. Our dragon fruit, which bloomed, and probably seen in the photos, we've got a few dragon fruit. We end up with 4. So we've got 1, 2, 3, which are getting ready to flower. There's a small bud there. So it's 5. Now if I'm correct, there's a couple here. There's 6, 7. Whoops, got the sun in my eyes there. 7. And there might be one on here. There'll be 8. And if I come around this side, I'll go past the back of the beehive. There's another little one there. Little bud. And there's one there. And there's one there on the ground. I think the dog actually pulled that one off. So it's ended up, it didn't make it anyway, so it never pollinated. So that's okay. That'll hopefully recycle itself back into the ground. Cool. So bees are doing a bee thing. There's a couple of little ones there. Might just see sticking its head out. Whoops, it might be a little bit blurry. There we go. Okay, so the other hives are doing well. So yeah, and the Monstera plant, I'm still waiting for it to fruit, sitting over there in the back. I have to get into this garden, it's a bit of a mess. So yeah, just a little update, and I'll put, obviously you would have seen all these videos together. They're all done over about a 3-week period. But yeah, so hopefully you're all caught up and enjoy the little tour. It's not much of a tour, but it's a little bit. Oh, there is one passion fruit. I'll just take you over there. I finally got one passion fruit after 2 years on our vine, so never even seen the flower come out. So yeah, so some of the natives on this other hive here, quite busy. So anyway, thanks for stopping by, having a look at what's going on, and we'll catch up with you next time, and we'll see how we go. Alright, thanks for watching. Catch you later.